Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming UEFI and secure boot status so you know what you're changing. Reboot into firmware, disable fast boot if present, and open the UEFI boot menu. Once done, copy a signed bootloader or shim plus its key files onto a FAT32 USB. Make a backup of the EFI/boot and Microsoft folders on the target drive because you will overwrite them. This avoids recovery headaches and explains why we prepared the USB upfront. Next, mount the EFI system partition and inspect the existing loader so you replace the right files. Copy the signed shim or REF-IND binary into EFI/boot, keeping original file names if the firmware expects them. Then, enroll the corresponding certificate. Use Mock Manager for Linux to import the SIR or add the key in UEFI setup if available. Make sure to update boot order with FABootinger or firmware UI so the new signed loader is selected at next start. Finally, reboot and re-enable Secure Boot to verify the signed loader launches. If it works, the OS should boot normally. If not, boot from your recovery USB and restore the EFI backup you made earlier so you can iterate safely. Check journal logs and firmware boot variables to diagnose errors, and if the failure points to signature issues, re-enroll the correct certificate chain or switch to the vendor platform key. One quick troubleshooting tip: test with Secure Boot disabled to isolate signature problems.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.